First one is the ATM. ATM is a automated teller machine. ATM is the insert here. The machine which are entering here inside the server. When the random persons are used to certain parts are people used to bypass to his control the abstract levels. Next one is the web. Web is it is a global information to share and communication platform with their devices. The next one is the DigiLocker. DigiLocker is considered as a attempts to connected home automation systems. Present days these DigiLockers are so robust control with the smartphones to use the DigiLockers. Next one is the smart locks. Next one is the smart meters.